Hey guys, what's up? Eric here. If you've stayed out of touch with Chromebooks for the last few years, what you need to know is that they got much better. So let's get started right now.
This, my friends, is the Acer Chromebook R11, just a little over a year old, costing under $200. This laptop has an Intel Celeron N3160 with 4 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. And for connectivity, it has a USB 2 port and a USB 3 port, along with an HDMI out and a 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's now look at the physical aspect of the computer. Overall, the design is very clean and feels pretty nice. On the right side, you'll see a USB 2 port as well as a headphone jack. On the other side, you'll see the charging port, an HDMI out, and a USB 3 port as well as an SD card reader. Even though this laptop has an 11.6-inch display with a resolution of 1366 by 768. With an IPS panel, it is probably one of the best budget laptop screens I've ever seen. This laptop also has a very impressive touchscreen, which is very well optimized for the operating system and is very preferable to use over the not-so-good trackpad. Along with the touchscreen, this device makes a 360-degree rotation and can be used as a tablet. So for the design, I'll give this a 4 out of 5. For the display, I'll give it a 5 out of 5. For the keyboard, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. And for the trackpad, I'll give it a 2 out of 5, because in my opinion, it is not comfortable to use, and I've seen much better on other laptops the same price. But with the touchscreen, that won't be a problem. So now it's time to look at the software aspect. So since this device runs Chrome OS, the boot times are much faster and the device is very responsive, which is what makes Chromebooks so preferable over traditional PCs to lots of people. So in the past, one big disadvantage with Chromebooks is that it runs nothing but one program, which is Chrome. Well, now this is a day of the past thanks to the Google Play Store, from which you can get lots of Android apps like Netflix, Clash of Clans, and Roblox, just to name a few. And with having a touchscreen, you can really use any app from the Play Store because even though not all of those apps support like mouse support, even though they don't have mouse support with the touchscreen, it really doesn't matter. And in developer mode, you can actually run any APK file on this Chromebook, regardless of if it's on the Play Store. So you can, even though Minecraft PE, for example, doesn't work on this, you can run it. So the ability for this Chromebook to turn into a tablet and the Play Store fills a big void that Chromebooks used to have. And it also puts them far ahead of Microsoft's Windows 10 PCs, because most people would rather use a device with Google Chrome and the Play Store, rather than a device that runs Microsoft Edge with the Microsoft Marketplace. I'm gonna end this video with saying that Chromebooks have become a much more viable device over the past few years, and are without a doubt a very big threat to Windows 10 S. Even if you don't think Chromebooks are such a great device, at least we can all agree that they are far better than any Windows 10 S device. I'm Edward, and thanks for watching.